Credit Karma Loan Comparison Tool Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to the Credit Karma Loan Comparison Tool and relevant financial products are in the description. Credit Karma is widely known for its free credit monitoring services, but it also offers a powerful loan comparison tool that helps users find personal loans, auto loans, and home financing options. This platform simplifies the loan shopping process by providing personalized offers based on your credit profile, ensuring you see options that match your financial situation. Features. Credit Karma's loan comparison tool stands out because it delivers pre-qualified loan offers without affecting your credit score. After entering basic loan details, the platform instantly generates a list of lenders with estimated APRs, loan amounts, and terms. The tool provides transparency by highlighting key factors such as origination fees, repayment flexibility, and lender reputation. Another valuable feature is Credit Karma's Credit Score Insights, which help borrowers understand how their credit standing affects loan eligibility. The platform also includes financial calculators and educational resources to guide users through the borrowing process. Who it's for? This tool is ideal for individuals looking for quick and personalized loan comparisons without unnecessary credit inquiries. It's particularly useful for those with fair to excellent credit who want to secure competitive rates on personal loans for debt consolidation, home improvement, or major purchases. Borrowers who want a seamless experience with real-time lender matching will benefit from Credit Karma's intuitive interface. Strengths. One of Credit Karma's biggest advantages is its ability to offer pre-qualified loan options tailored to a user's credit profile, saving time and reducing the risk of applying for loans that may get rejected. The no-impact credit check is a significant benefit, allowing borrowers to explore multiple lenders without harming their score. Additionally, the platform integrates with Credit Karma's free credit monitoring service, giving users a full picture of their financial health while searching for a loan. Weaknesses. Despite its strengths, Credit Karma's loan comparison tool has some limitations. The loan marketplace may not include every lender, meaning some competitive offers could be missing. Additionally, while pre-qualified rates provide a useful estimate, actual loan terms may differ after a full credit check and lender review. Some users may also find that lender fees and additional requirements are not fully disclosed until later in the application process. Conclusion. Overall, Credit Karma's loan comparison tool is an excellent resource for borrowers looking for a hassle-free way to compare financing options. While it may not include every lender, its personalized loan offers, no-impact credit checks, and integrated credit monitoring make it a valuable tool for those seeking the best loan for their needs. If you're ready to explore your options, check out the links in the description and start comparing today.